Oh my God. I forgot to put my hat back on. Oh my God. Come on, Brett.
How'd you get your camera?
You're the pro. Oh, hold on. That's right. I was supposed to take pictures of this one. Okay. Okay. All right. Shit. Okay. Ready and go. Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Are you okay? I think you did a face plant. I told you that one was different.
I thought you hit a pond.
You hit a pothole or a pond.
Is Smiley coming?
You okay? Are you done? Okay. Miley, are you coming?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful.
What happened was...
Uh-oh.
Oh, look out behind you. Look out behind you. Oh. Yay! Scott, you better move out of the way.
When it crashed is what it threw me off.
Good job, Mommy. Yeah.
When it crashed, it threw me off.
Oh my God.
That's
wait.
why it threw me, because it dug in.